We're here to help you make your world a better place to live, work, and do business. This idea that if we can make you a success and make the people that work with you or live with you or the community or Idaho, if people are better off because they were present, we've done our job. If we believe we can have a huge impact in somebody's life. If we are not gifted in that area, if we don't have those particular skills or talents, we don't run off and chase that. We want to work with those people who are needing those areas that we're good at, and we can feed that. If you come here and you want to be better and you want to treat people in a better way and help them develop, we're the place to come because what you learn is going to stick with you, and you're going to remember it and apply it. And we know that just from the number of people who take classes again and again, the number of organizations who come to us. We have learning that changes lives.